Florence Nightingale's legacy, 6 lessons for today. 1. Florence Nightingale revolutionized nursing, emphasizing compassion and care in healthcare practices. 2. Her commitment to data and statistics laid the groundwork for evidence-based healthcare today. 3. Nightingale's advocacy for sanitation and hygiene remains crucial in modern medical practices. 4. Leadership with empathy, as she demonstrated, is essential for effective healthcare management today. 5. Her dedication to lifelong learning inspires professionals to continually improve their skills and knowledge. Embrace these lessons and transform your approach to healthcare and leadership.